In a galaxy far, far away, mitosis changed the world. Our story takes place on a planet called the cell. In the cell, there was a pile of chromatin inside of the nucleus. There's chromatin with mom's DNA, which is purple, and dad's DNA, yellow. The chromatin duplicated itself so that it could give a copy to the future cell and keep one for itself. This is called interphase. It's before mitosis. After interphase, mitosis begins with prophase. Prophase is when the chromatin we talked about condenses into chromosomes. The nuclear envelope also disappears. Now, this is about to get kind of crazy, so stay with me here. Sam is a sister chromatid to Pam. They make up one chromosome. Derpy is a sister chromatid to Murphy. They also make up one chromosome. Sister chromatids are exact copies of each other. Sam and Pam are homologous chromosomes to Derpy and Murphy. This means that Sam and Pam have dad's nose shape information, and Derpy and Murphy contain mom's nose shape information. Anyways, they all became BFFs. The only thing that frightens them is mitosis. Why, you may ask? Because after anaphase, they would be separated forever. Meanwhile, Darth Vader circles the galaxies, trying to steal other people's happiness. He soon realizes that their friendship is so strong that he has to find their weakness. He learns that he can separate them at their centromeres, right where two sister chromatids attach. Back to mitosis. During metaphase, the chromosome friends met along the middle of the cell to do biology homework. Little did they know that mini Darth Vader's plans were already falling into place. He prepared his Death Stars, which are centrioles, for the mission. Real centrioles look like little cylinders, but for the sake of the story, they will be Death Stars. The centriole Death Stars settled into the central galactic zone, the centrosome. Dun, dun, dun. The centrosomes are the zones where the centrioles are. As they did their biology homework, they all started to get a really creepy feeling. Mini Darth Vader's spindle fibers surrounded them. There was nowhere to hide. As they looked over, spindle fibers attached to their centromeres. The sisters tried to hold on to each other, but the spindle fibers were just too strong for them. In anaphase, the spindle fibers managed to separate them. Sam and Pam were no longer sister chromatids. Neither were Derpy and Murphy. In telophase, the cells separated into two and flew away from each other. The nuclear envelopes reappeared, and the chromosomes went back to chromatin. So ends our tragic story. In this next part, we'll see how mitosis can actually be a good thing. In a completely different universe, there were two skin cells named Bob and Marla. They were in love with each other. One day, due to a human's injury caused by a bike accident, Marla died. Bob thought he would never be happy again. Bob's neighbor, Patricia, saw that her friend Marla had died and decided to undergo mitosis so that the new cell could take Marla's place. Bob was kind of confused. He asked Pat, what are you doing? Pat said, mitosis. Bob was still pretty young, so he didn't really know what mitosis was. So he wasn't sure what to think. Pat went through mitosis, and as a result, Gertrude came to life. Bob and Gertrude became really good friends. A while later, Bob thought back to when Patricia went through mitosis. He realized that the purpose of mitosis was for one cell to be able to duplicate itself in case another got hurt and died. just like Pat had done when Marla died. It allowed growth, development, and repair. It also encouraged their strive for homeostasis. Bob decided mitosis wasn't so bad after all. They all lived happily ever after, except for Pam, Sam, Derpy, and Murphy. They became Darth Vader's minions.